Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common problem that many users face when trying to manage their web traffic filtering. The problem we're tackling revolves around the persistent NextDNS menu bar icon that can easily be toggled on and off, compromising the effectiveness of the tool. It's frustrating when you're trying to ensure a secure browsing experience for your family, and that pesky menu bar icon just won't cooperate. Now, let's talk about the solution. By using Bartender instead of Vanilla, you can seamlessly hide the NextDNS menu bar icon and regain control over who can access it. With Bartender, you can not only hide the icon, but also assign a complex keyboard shortcut to reveal it, ensuring that only you have access to the app modifications. This clever workaround provides a simple yet effective way to tackle the issue at hand. In summary, dealing with the NextDNS menu bar icon problem can be a real hassle, but with the help of Bartender, you can easily hide it and secure your settings. Remember, a well-hidden icon is a happy icon. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy browsing!